All right, guys, December the 16th on a Tuesday, we just got to our second job. This is the Cortland at Buckhead. They actually was referred to me by a builder that used me about 2 years ago in Alpharetta. They thought they was going to have to replace the floors. They actually called Shaw. Shaw told them to call me, and I was able to save those floors for them. It was like $40,000 to replace them. So I was able to save those floors, and that builder referred me to one of his colleagues that manages these units. So they had some floors that they thought they was gonna have to replace, and I came in 2 years ago actually with one of my students, and we saved the floors, and ever since then, every time they need a floor done, they'll call me. So guys, I will say this one right here, I'm gonna see what I can do. I almost told them you might have to replace this one, but let me see what I can do with this one. But this one has a lot of missing veneer. Let me show you. So if you look here, it's not too bad here, all right? It's not too bad. When you come on through here, look at all that missing veneer. So I just sent T back to the truck to get my color correction kit, because this is gonna be a lot of color correction, a lot. You go, man, God, I don't know how this is even possible. I mean, around the edges, like, how is that even possible? Yeah, this is wow. All right, guys, let me see what I can do on this one. All I'm gonna say is, stay tuned.
Hey! What? ATL. Guess who's back? Guess who's back? Truman's back. Yeah, called us back. Guess who's back? Guess who's back? Called us back. Yeah, called us back. They try to replace me, we said, hold up, wait. Engineered floors still got life in their face. Saved them a bag, didn't tear out a thing. Same house, same call, yeah, they ringing the phone again. Buckhead nice, clean work, no mess. We preserve, we protect, we don't guess. They remember the work, they remember the name. When the floors need saving, yeah, they call us again. Guess who's back? Yeah. Buckhead, Atlanta, engineered flows, say, Truman.
See right there, so that's the best it's going to get. You can still see what some of the veneer, what it is, got the veneer is just gone. I mean, this is probably one of the worst ones I've seen. So we did the color correction the best of best of our ability. That's what I tell clients is we guarantee improvement, not perfection, especially in a case like this. Really, the boards need to be replaced. So if they decide to move forward with replacing, that would be the option. Only option they would have, because you cannot sand this floor. So this is why they do call us out to do what we do. So that is a whole lot better, as you can see from the before and after. Okay. All right, guys. Well, we're gonna wrap it up. We have 2 tomorrow. Thursday, going to be doing the stone countertop class. A lot of people, other, especially carpet cleaners, they and all, even hardwood guys are interested in the countertops. So we're going to be doing a class with my instructor, Robert Fazone, at my shop, but it's not going to be any students there. We're going to pre-record it, and then they can just purchase it and watch it at their convenience. And then we'll be back at it Friday and Saturday, and I already got 2 next Monday. All right, guys, see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.